today at the trailer to make our summer self-care recipe, peach bellinis. Can't be more authentic than doing it here at Algonquin Park. Peach bellinis are really easy. All you need is a bottle of champagne, Prosecco, or sparkling wine. Today we have Prosecco. A bottle of peach nectar, which we picked up at the grocery store, and a little bit of lemon juice. It says to mix it in a bowl, but we're gonna go straight to the pitcher. There you go. It's that easy to make a peach bellini. Enjoy.